Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and safe from COVID-19. Students, today is your English language turn, and today I am going to teach you chapter 2. See, this is chapter 2 and the name of the chapter is the sentence. So let us understand what is sentence. Let us start the chapter. Read the following groups of words. I live in Faridabad. This is a sentence. Vicky is my brother. The cat is on the chair. These all are sentences, and all these groups of words make complete sense and are called sentences. That means these are group of words and it makes complete sense. That's why it is called sentences. What is sentence? A group of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. A group of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. Okay, remember what we should remember? We should remember 3 things about a sentence. About a sentence, we have to learn 3 things. First one is sentence. A sentence always begins with a capital letter. Remember this. All of you remember this very carefully. A sentence always begins with a capital letter. The words in a sentence are placed in their proper order to make complete sense. That means in sentence words are placed in proper order to make complete sense. It ends with a full stop or question mark or an exclamation mark. Okay? It ends. That means a sentence ends with full stop, question mark or exclamation mark. Is this clear? Okay. Now read the following group of words. First one is school I go is. In the school. Okay? Is it a right sentence? The group of words in example does not make sense. It does not make sense. The group of words in example 2 makes sense but not a complete sense. It makes a sense in the school. That means school mein, but it is not having a complete sense. Okay? These groups of words are not sentences since they do not make a complete sense. That means it must be with complete sense. Okay? Group of words must be in complete sense. Okay? Now here some exercises are given related to this chapter. Put trick against those group of words which are sentence and put a cross against those which are not sentence. That means first you have to read the sentence whether it is sentence. If this is sentence, like first one I am reading, I am playing football. This is a sentence. You will put trick. Okay? To me the gave he book. Is this a sentence? No, because it is not having a complete sense. So you will put a cross. Okay, same like this. You have to read these all sentences and do it. Okay? Now next, read these group of words that does not make sense. Milk gives us cow. Is this any sentence? Is this having any meaning? No. See the next. Second, should we daily milk drink? No. This is not a sentence. But when we write these group of words in another order, these make complete sense. But when we arrange these sentences, we got a proper sentence. Like the cow gives us milk. We should drink milk daily. Is this clear to all? Okay. So what you have to do? Here is the exercise related to these examples. Rewrite the following groups of words as sentences. Begin each sentence with capital letter and put a full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay. First one I have done for you. Vase, mother, the, and was arranging flowers. So we have to arrange these words. Then the sentence will be mother is arranging the flowers in vase. Okay. Same like this you have to do all these exercises. And next, again we can add words to the group of words that makes an incomplete sense and turn them into sentences. Now look at these group of words. In the morning. This is not complete sentence. So we can add some group of words with this. Like she goes for a walk in the morning. At the station, she met me at the station. Okay. Like this is you have to do like make sentences. Here is exercise make sentences using the following groups of words. You have to make sentences with the help of these group of words. Like first one is in the school. Same like this you have to do these also. Now last one is tea. Look at the picture given below and write appropriate sentence for each. Here are some pictures you can see and you have to write sentence about this, that what they are doing. Hope you all can do this. Watch the video carefully and do all the exercises. Thank you.